Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtges, and in this video I want to show you a really famous melody everybody should know and should play on guitar. Before we start out, please make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, if you're a beginner, and the free lessons for the advanced players out there, if you're an advanced player. Tons of cool lessons you will find in the video description. Thanks for checking that out too, and we start with this. So you know that creepy Star Wars theme, and we start in the second fret of the D string with the index finger and just play everything with downstrokes, okay? 3 times, but don't play it like letting it ring. Play it. How do you do that? You do that by, when you play it the first time, you just lift your finger a tiny little bit, you release the pressure from the string, the note dies, and additionally I also mute the string with my picking hand. So you have, get that one done first, okay? You do that 3 times then. Then in the 3rd fret of the A string with the middle finger, and then in the 5th fret with the pinky on the D string. And back to the 2nd fret of the D string. And again, 3, 5, 2. Okay? 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. Maybe if you have trouble with this, just start by doing a dry exercise. You see the stretch I have to do here, okay? You can only achieve that by bringing your thumb like on the back of the neck and have a really open hand position here, something like this. Because if you're having your hand, your wrist kind of like in a weird position, or the thumb up here or something like this, this might be really hard to get the pinky in position, and that way it's kind of like a classical approach there. But for melodies and solo, this is pretty common too. You might also see me play with the thumb over around the neck on the fretboard. That's also a common technique for other stuff, but for now please stick to this kind of technique. Okay, and repeat that, just everything downstrokes. Also, if you get that into your finger memory, also focus on your picking hand, because you have to like mute and change between 2 strings and stuff. This can be kind of tricky in the beginning. Then the second part starts on the 4th fret of the G string. Again, 3 times with this kind of like stopped note after a while. And don't play it ringing out. It's more. Then after 3 times you go into the 5th fret with the pinky, then the open G string. So it's 4, 4, 4, 5, 0. Okay. And then after the open string, you go to the 1st fret of the D string, and then to the 3rd fret A string, 5th fret D string, and 2nd fret D string. It's kind of like repeating the phrase. So it's 4, 4, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, 2. Again, the second part, 4, 4, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, 2. 4, 4, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, 2. And the whole thing. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. And out to the 4th fret, 4, 4, 4, 5, hope you had a lot of fun with this melody. If you have any questions concerning the techniques and stuff, just let me know. Drop a comment and maybe I will do a video concerning that very topic in the future. And I always like you guys commenting on my videos because it helps me create the content and footage you would like to see. And if you're new to the world of guitar playing and didn't get a word here, check out my free ebook for beginners. You get a direct download link to that ebook, no email or whatever you have to drop for me. No matter if you're playing an acoustic or an electric, you'll get along. So thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.